Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a project share. This is the embellishment box that I created for the YouTube hop. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, my previous video, I tell you guys about a hop that I was asked to participate in, and it takes place tomorrow, April 20th at 10 a.m. Central Time. And I will have on my video all the ladies that are participating. You guys should definitely go check them out, subscribe, because I am going to be giving this box away, and in order for you to win this box, you have to be subscribed to all the ladies that I linked down below and also be following them. So definitely do that so that you can have a chance to win the box that I created. And I'll have all the information in the down bar, of course, as I always do. But we were to create a box that kind of like described us as a crafter, and you guys know that I love color, so I made my embellishment box extremely colorful, and I want to share what is inside. So this is the outside, and I used the, I don't remember the paper. I know it's one of the recent collections that just came out with the unicorn. That's the paper that's back here. I think it's American Crafts, but I don't remember the name off the top of my head. I put this cute little butterfly and a little pom-pom right here. Some cute little flowers. And then this little card that says, "You are my sunshine." When we open it up, ta-da! This is what it looks like. And over here, I just added a bunch of trim and some tassels, a little bow. On this side, there's a bunch of little pins. I put quite a few in there. That's what those look like. And then in this one, it's just all different types of little paper clips and little wooden clips. So that's what's inside this one. And then over here we have some washi samples on these cute little spools, and some little glitter cutouts, little die cuts. They're I think it's 2-inch circle. And then over here we have some cute little bows. And then you guys know that I do Wifey Wednesday, so of course I added on my embellishment box the little file folders that my wife created in one of her episodes. So you guys will get those, and a bunch of die cuts that I added in here. I don't want to show everything because it is a surprise for the winner of the giveaway. So I want the winner to be surprised in some of the things that they get. We have some little, little gems inside of a little jar. And then I put here some little washi strips on the bottom. There's little washi rolls right here, and then in here I just added a bunch of embellishments that I have made. So this is what the prize will be for the giveaway on my channel. If you guys want to check out what the other ladies are giving out, like I said, definitely go check out their channels. And you guys, just to tell you a little bit about myself, because I know that I will probably be getting new ladies from all the other channels. I started crafting in 2016. I started off planning, but I realized really fast that wasn't for me, and started doing pocket letters. And I did pocket letters for a very long time, and then was basically walked into a world of a whole bunch of different crafts, and I've been crafting since. And let me see what else I have to tell you guys. If you guys want to be part of this giveaway, you need to be subbed and comment on every video of the ladies down below. So please, I will have the rules down below, so you guys can definitely go check it out. But if you want to participate in the giveaway, you need to be subscribed to all the ladies, and you need to comment on their videos, which will be linked down below as well. And the hop is tomorrow, April 20th, 10 a.m. Central Time. Making sure that I'm mentioning everything and not forgetting anything. And we were to mention who inspires us as far as crafting. You guys, that list is very long for me because I'm inspired by the Paper Treasury, Craft Purge, Becky Share. Oh my God, so many people. Scrap Diva, like, oh my God, Erica, amazing. So many ladies there's just so many to mention, you know. It's when I go through my feed, it's just like inspiration overload. So I'm inspired by all the crafty ladies. I see their work and I just want to recreate and just give it my twist, you know. So yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to share the box with you guys and tell you guys that I hope you go and check out the hop. I know a lot of you ladies had questions of what is a YouTube hop. It's just a way to basically put your craft out there, let other ladies know that you exist, basically, because sometimes there's so many of us that we miss out on some people. Like, oh, I didn't even know you had a channel, I didn't know you had an Instagram. So this is a way to kind of like put a group of girls together to interchange their followers. So if there's people that don't know of the next girl, she'll have her my followers follow her, her followers will follow me, and then it just putting your name out there, you know. It's just a fun way to do that, and I am so grateful that I was picked to participate in this one because I am within a group of really talented ladies, and I feel so grateful, so honored to be part of this because it's huge. To me, it's huge, you know. And yeah, so if you guys want to see the other ladies, definitely check the links down below because I am super excited to see their boxes. I cannot wait. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that like button, that thumbs up button, and hit the bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.